Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name is Tom with Mastercode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about the multiplication assignment operator, just like the addition and subtraction assignment operators. Basically, what we're doing is multiplying and assigning the variable to represent the new value. So let's take a look at it. Let's say A is equal to 1, or A is representing 1. A multiply assign 2. So we're multiplying A, which is 1, by 2, assigning A to represent the new value. Hit return, A is 2. Alright, so now our new value is 2. Let's take a look at another example. A multiply assign 2. Now we call it A, we got 4. Alright, so that is the multiplication assignment operator in Python. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, visit us over at mastercode.online. See you in the next tutorial.